students. This is the first chapter of your geography of NCERT textbook Our Environment. The first chapter, Environment, tells you what our surrounding is all about. Environment, in simple definition, is the basic surrounding around us. In this chapter, you will get to know that the environment, which is made of both biotic and abiotic things. These biotic and abiotic things you have learnt already in your previous classes, either in geography or in science. Biotic refers to the living things and abiotic refers to the non-living things. So, you will get to know that this chapter is all about environment, how this environment supports our life systems, like for example the air we breathe, the water we drink, the land where we live on are all part of the environment. An ecosystem, we will also get to know about an ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? If I am here to tell you briefly, then an ecosystem is a system where all the living and non-living things are interrelated and they form a system of their own. In this chapter, you will also get to know that how human greed, means the need to want more, has resulted in change in the environment. And this change is quite significant. Humans naturally change or modify the environment to meet their needs or their comfort. So, in this chapter, you will get an introduction about environment, its basic components like natural, human made, or human, what is an ecosystem, and how humans modify the environment to suit their needs. So, all these topics will be given to you. You will study all these topics one by one in further details.